First program I'm going to talk to you about is Class Dojo. I have pulled up my Class Dojo, and it's not this part that I really want to talk to you about, but I do want to go ahead and say this can be used both for students and for parents. Your students, so they know where their behavior is every day, and they're earning towards points, which goes to the treasure box in my classroom, but also for parents, so the parents know if the child's having a difficult day or a good day. But beyond that, it has up here for class stories that if you have some different things going on in the class, you have pictures that you want to send to keep parents engaged in what's going in your classroom, this is a perfect way to do it. Then there's a place for messages, which again is for, you can do it for one parent, for five parents, for all of them. If you have, it's an excellent way in which I communicate with my parents. It's easier for me to get to them through this than there is through email or phone call. But the part I want to talk to you about is down here where it says big ideas. Now, the big ideas section is going to be, they call it Mojo, and it's positive social skill lessons that they have with this. And so what it does is you have able to watch the video. It's very cute. Kids are engaged in it. So you can watch the videos and they can discuss the different things that are happening in each one of those videos. Well, then after you watch the video, let me just pop in here. So let's say you show this video. Then after that, you have the option to go ahead and in here, you can discuss and it will come up with different questions. What happened that made Mojo so embarrassed, and what are the facts? And so after you've watched the video, you can go back in here and you can use these thought-provoking questions to engage the children into finding the answers, discovering different things that they can learn through this, especially if you have a certain situation in your class that needs to be addressed. So that just gives you several different questions you can discuss. And then at the very end, you can share on the class story with your parents so they can watch the episode and they can see what we're kind of going over with the social stories and whatnot. So it's just a really good, easy, quick, free access to work with social emotional well-being.